Alright everyone, look who's back. It's been a month, but we got the LST right here. And it looks a little different. We got a new engine in here. The whole story with this engine, I picked it up off the Evil Bay. Around 80 bucks plus shipping. I think I got a great deal on it. It's actually a Mach 2.6 SS. I just threw the original head on it, just so it looks more of the, more appropriate. This will be my first time running the engine, so we might have some issues. I actually probably should have inspected it more, but might as well go ahead and rip this thing up. And this truck's still dirty from its trip down to RC Madness. That was probably 2 weeks ago. I really haven't had time to clean it. Probably should have, but we're gonna go ahead and get it more dirty, because why not? Alright everyone, so that didn't go too bad. I was right about us having issues as the carburetor was leaning out. Gotta figure out why that is, either a tank issue or the carburetor. But I'm pretty happy how this thing came out. Actually, I forgot to mention off camera, we did break a pole starter. So I wrapped that around real crappy, but that's alright. It was low on power today because of the bad carburetor, but that engine's got potential, so I'm gonna leave it in there. Figure out all the bugs and it'll be all fixed soon. But we gotta address this body as it's getting really bad. Like really bad. Mostly just the paint's chipping off on it. But I do have a brand new sealed one waiting to be painted. Might even see it on a live stream. Might bring those painting live streams back, why not? Anyway everyone, thanks for liking, subbing, doing your thing. Alright people, that wraps it up for me. If I land this little screwdriver trick, you gotta subscribe. Oh.
Oh, you don't need to.
Yep, that failed. Anyway, I'll see you later.